Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because today's video is packed with brand new blouse design, cutting and stitching ideas for 2026. Blouse designs are changing fast, and in 2026, it's all about perfect fit, clean finishing, modern cuts, and stylish necklines. Whether you're a beginner or a professional tailor, this video is going to help you upgrade your skills and stay ahead of the trend. Let's start with the latest blouse patterns for 2026. This year, we're seeing a big rise in structured blouses, princess cuts, asymmetrical necklines, and minimal but classy back designs. Customers now want blouses that look elegant, comfortable, and premium at the same time. Now let's talk about cutting. Proper cutting is the secret behind a perfect blouse. In 2026, accuracy matters more than ever. Always double-check your measurements, especially the bust, shoulder, armhole, and blouse length. A small mistake in cutting can affect the final fitting, so take your time and cut neatly. One of the trending techniques this year is zero-gap cutting, which helps achieve a clean and smooth finish. This technique is especially useful for fitted blouses and modern designs. Make sure your fabric is well pressed before cutting for better results. Moving on to neck designs. In 2026, necklines are becoming more creative. Square necks with soft curves, deep V-necks with invisible stitching, boat necks with contrast piping, and modern sweetheart necks are in high demand. While stitching necklines, neat folding and equal margin are very important to get that professional look. Let's talk about sleeve designs. Sleeves are no longer basic. We now have puff sleeves, slit sleeves, short structured sleeves, and net or lace sleeves. While stitching sleeves, ensure the armhole fitting is perfect and comfortable. Always test fit before final stitching. Now to the most important part, stitching. In 2026, blouse stitching is all about clean lines and durability. Use fine stitching for visible areas and reinforce stress points like the shoulder and underarm. Proper seam finishing will not only improve the look, but also increase the lifespan of the blouse. Let's not forget the back designs. Back designs are stealing the spotlight this year. Button backs, hotly buttons, tie-ups, minimal cutouts, and stylish loops are trending. Keep the back design elegant and well-balanced to match the front design perfectly. Another key trend in 2026 is lining and padding. Well-stitched lining gives the blouse a premium feel. Always align the lining properly and avoid wrinkles. For padded blouses, ensure the pads are positioned correctly for comfort and natural shape. If you're a tailor or fashion lover, remember this: customers in 2026 value comfort, finish, and style more than heavy designs. Simple but well-stitched blouses are always in demand. Before we end, here's a quick tip. Always do a final fitting check before delivering the blouse. Look at the neckline, sleeves, side seams, and back fitting. Small adjustments can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video and found these new blouse design, cutting and stitching ideas for 2026 helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which blouse design you loved the most. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.